This review is for self-pH balance mosquito repellent bracelet. It comes with 4 colors. Each color have 3 bands. So you got the blue, orange, yellow, and green. I put one on my hand. So basically have some small hole punch here on the bracelet, and then on this side you basically just stuck this small piece to one of the holes that fit you. So the bracelet is around 7 inch, so it's on my hand pretty well. On the feet though, I put one on my feet. However, this is basically the last 2 holes, so and I'm not that big, so it would be easier to have it, see, so it's not that long. So if you have the ankle is kind of big, then it may not fit you. Around 7 inch. Okay, so hope this review helps. They do have strong smell, but it's not as bad as the other brand that I got. And the pros and cons I will put out on the review. Thank you for watching.